Hi students, let us start with the new chapter Magnetic Effects of Electric Current. In the first class, we will see magnetic field and field lines. All of us know that a magnet attracts magnetic objects, and magnetism is the property of the magnet to attract or repel other magnets. What is a bar magnet? Bar magnet is a permanent magnet. It is a rectangular piece of magnet and it has north pole and south pole. Like poles will repel each other and unlike poles will attract each other. You look at this diagram. Here the south pole and the north pole are unlike poles. One is south and one is north. They are opposite. Unlike poles, they will attract each other. But here this is south pole and this is south pole. They are same poles or like poles. Like poles means they will repel each other. Here you can see this is north pole and this is north pole. They are also same poles or like poles. Therefore, they will repel each other. Only the unlike poles, this is south and north. They are unlike. Only the unlike poles will attract. Like poles repel and unlike poles attract each other. What is magnetic field? Magnetic field is the region around a magnet where the magnetic force is felt. Suppose if this is a magnet, the region around that magnet where the magnetic force is experienced is called magnetic field. Magnetic field is the region surrounding the magnet in which the force of the magnet can be detected. It has both direction and magnitude. The magnetic field around the bar magnet is shown in the diagram. The field can be represented using the field lines. The field lines will emerge from the north pole and merge at the south pole. This is a field line. You can see field lines in the diagram. It is emerging from the north pole and merging at the south pole. But inside the bar magnet, the field lines are from south pole to north pole. Here, this diagram shows that it is from the south pole. It is coming from the south pole and it is going to the north pole. This is for the inside of the magnet, whereas for outside the magnet it is from north to south. These lines of force will never intersect and they are closed curves. If you can see more number of lines, it means the strength of the magnetic field is more. At the poles, you can see more number of field lines, which means at the poles, the strength of the magnetic field is greater. Note that these lines are closed curves. Let us summarize these properties of the field lines. We have seen that the field lines emerge from the north pole and merge at the south pole. Inside the magnet, the direction of the field lines is from its south pole to its north pole. They are closed curves and these lines of force never intersect. If the lines are crowded, the magnetic field is strong, and if it is less crowded, the magnetic field is weak. What is a magnetic compass? Magnetic compass is an instrument that is used to find the direction. And what happens when this magnetic compass is brought near a bar magnet? This compass also contains a small magnet. Therefore, the field lines of this compass will interact with the field lines of the bar magnet. Therefore, the needle of this compass will deflect and gives you the direction. This is the diagram of a magnetic compass, and when this compass is brought near a bar magnet, you can see the deflection of the needle. Compass needle is deflected, and this deflection is always in the north-south direction. In this session, we learned about magnetic field and field lines. Magnetic field is the region around the magnet where the magnetic force is detected. You can represent this magnetic field using the field lines. We also learned the properties of these field lines. Field lines will emerge from the north pole and merge at the south pole. But inside the magnet, the direction of the field lines is from south pole to north pole. They are closed curves and they never intersect each other. If the field lines are crowded, that means the magnetic field will be stronger, and if it is not crowded, the magnetic field strength is weak. We also learned about the magnetic compass. If a magnetic compass is brought near the proximity of a bar magnet is the permanent magnet. This magnetic compass will deflect and it always points in the north-south direction. Hope you understood this session. See you in the next class.